Alright, YouTube, fishtanktv.com. This is Derek, the aquatic addict. How's everybody doing today? As you can see, I'm down at a pond. There's a pond near my parents' house. That bush over there's probably about 7 or 8 different random ponds back there that I usually go to and get some plants and shit at. So yeah, that's what I'm out for today, is plants. Native plants, anyways, for my pond. You know, I do keep some of these in fish tanks, but we're here for the pond today. I'm trying to find something here. Like, I don't want any submerged plants right now, so I'm not equipped for going in the water, as you can see. But if you look, let me just, sturdy as fuck. That's some hornwort of some sort. Anyways, I'm going to look around. I'm going to find some things here because it's pretty dry, barren place right at this spot. This is usually underwater right here, so if you like, bam, right here. Look at this. I'm going to take that home. We're going to see what this does, you know what I mean? Look at the runners this thing is shooting off here. This is definitely aquatic. Anyways, yeah, I'm going to pick this up, pick a couple more little things here, and then I'll show you what's up. I just collected a bunch of plants from this area here. See along there, my trail. You kind of can't just stay on the edge. You got to be like right on the edge of the water so you get immersed in some submerge. I wasn't really going for a submerge today, but I found some shit, so I'm going to show you what I got. I found this really cool friggin' plant. It was right in the water coming out. Can't tell if this is focused on this camera or not. But it's like some sort of hair grass, but then it's got these little purple petals coming out. I don't know. We'll figure it out. It's kind of cool. I found a bunch of these. They look like crypts, but I think they're kind of like a sword. You know? So that's good. Throw them. There's another one. This was right in the water, so I know this is hair grass for sure, some sort. It was submerged like this, just growing in about 3 inches of water. Yeah, that's pretty nice. So now, I don't know if these are aquatic. I'm sure they are because they're growing right on the edge, and that place is submerged, so like usually. And it's just dry this year, so they're not, you know. And then I found this little guy just floating the tops. Little lily. You know, look at that. It was just picking up nutrients through all these little hairs coming off these main roots. Loving it. Loving this pond. This pond's a pretty decent pond. A lot of pike in this pond. These are growing up out of the water everywhere. Kind of look like ludwigia, something like that. So I picked a couple just to see, you know, what it does. Anyways, that's what I got from right here. I'm going to hop back on the four-wheeler. I'm going to head to probably over there and see what we can't find over there. Over there is like a big fish spawning ground for the pond. It's like a little inlet stream that comes in. All the fish make nests in there. I'll see if I can show you that too as well. Alright. So there's that stuff I was talking to you about. Look at that. I'll get down here and show you. Just red. I'm going to stop back here and grab a bunch of this now. The way that I see that's growing in there. Look at that. Love it. I love it. So I'm here at the other side of the pond. And I just want to show you guys something. This right here is an invasive species, I believe. It's called parrot's feather. See the runners? It's going right boop 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 to the water. Look, and there's another one here. It's going right in the moss here, see? I believe that's what that is. So we're gonna throw that in there just for now and see what the fuck. See, I'm on the other side. Like I said, it's late in the season right now. Everything's starting to go, you know. If I would have came a little earlier, it would have been a little nicer. See, here's that parrot's feather. Or no, this is hogwart. This is a pretty nice piece of hogwart. Red tips. I don't know if you can see that. There. Look at that. Hoggy hogwart. Anyways, I'm gonna head over to that little marsh area. Alright, I'm over by that fish bed that I said, you know where they spawn? They all spawn down this little stream right here. And I found some arrowhead thingies. So I'll take some of these. Nice, healthy. Throw that in there. So here, see? Look at this, perfect. Arrowhead. I don't know if you can see that. This is ludwigia shit. And then all this. I'm just gonna pick a piece of it and show you. I think that's that parrot feather. So, and then look at this, here we go. That's a flowering arrowhead. Okay, so I'm going to pick some here and then I'll show you what I get after. Bye. What do we got here? These ludwigia things here, they're going into shock. They're the only ones that are actually going into shock. Well, some of them aren't actually, like this guy. But some of them are. Like I got him out of water, I think. Because I said I wasn't going to take any submerged, but I just grabbed a bunch of those ludwigia things and some of them were submerged. Here's this wicked crawling plant that I found that I still have to figure out what it is. And I will figure out what it is and I'll post it. It's beautiful. It carpets like crazy. I do have some of it right here that was growing straight up out of the water. Here's those crypt sword type things. They're thick like the Amazon swords, Echinodorus. They grow really long and tall and sit on top of the water like a lily pad though. So, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. And then what else we got? Got one arrowhead. We got a big arrowhead with some flowers. And then it's got more flowers gonna come out here. Those might actually be the seeds. Same with this guy here. So see, like I didn't take much because, like I said, oh, forgot this guy, lily pad. He was floating on the top, but like they're fucking hard as shit species, these guys. So I'm not too worried about him. And then I forgot about that grass shit. I just stuck him right there. I still don't know if you can see that any better. Probably not. Anyways, I'm not gonna waste your time looking at that. I'll show you get a good video going with another phone eventually. So I just showed them all in here for now. Oh, the hair grass. This is some moss. It has a little one of them ludwigia things growing out of it. So we'll see. I mean, It's all trial and error with this stuff, especially whenever you're taking it out of a pond that has specific, requirements and shit. But I'm pretty good at transferring from pond to tank to pond, so I'm pretty happy with what I have, and all this shit will spread like crazy. And I'll go back and get some more. And the thing about, I want to mention too, about taking flowering plants, leave some of the flowering plants there so that they can reproduce. Don't take a whole whack load of them. So yeah, there you go, guys. Give you an update from now on. From now on, I don't know, I'll give you an update in a week, 2 weeks, show you how everything's going. The only thing I'm worried about really is this stupid ludwigia shit. But I might rip it out and go back and get some healthier stuff. Some bigger stuff. That was too small, Alright. You guys have a good one. Keep tanking.